I just wake up. I'm trying to make my breakfast and put my lunch together for today. Yesterday my husband made a cheesecake and used the skin of the orange and say, do you want to see in the refrigerator so to do oranges in the morning? So I say yes. And that's what I will do. Delicious orange juice in the morning. I don't think I will get a lot. It's kind of dry. Oh. Okay, I better make coffee. Liberty Savings. I just finished work and now I need to get these things that I was looking for. I wanted to have one more of these and yellow ones, purple and yellow. That's what I was looking for. Oh, these ones, purple, yellow, red. Maybe we should do these ones. This has 15 for 14, and this has how many? 16. I think I will go for the other one. And I think that for now. We got these orange flowers, they're months, and I got for $8.98. The original price is 12. Oops, go ahead. No, you. $12.98 or something like that. This weather had me so sleepy, but it's beautiful. Oh, it's cloudy, beautiful. I need a coffee. Keep falling asleep. Keep falling. Last night I didn't water tea, so it's needing a little. And I think I will mow the grass and then put water. Here are people here. Okay. I am running low on space for all that I have here. Let's see if I can accommodate. I didn't mark this one. I will bring a marker to do it. Ooh, mashed potato. This cheesecake is the one that my husband is very famous for doing, and every time that we have parties, he brings people ask to bring. He has little problems yesterday with the oven because it's a new oven, and he almost burned, but it came really good. I was editing my videos, and I noticed that a lot of things that are very long for everyday vlogging, so I'm very tired and I will be going to bed, so I decided to cut this vlog very short. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day.